All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the different types of modes that we have in here. So right now we have it at the highest, but I'm gonna change the color tone, right? So the first one's a little bit more yellow, right? The middle one, it's gonna change into like more lighter bright, and this is the one that we have currently, right? Now we are gonna change the lowness, the brightness, and right now it just changes to the lowest, and then the middle one. It's not a big difference, but you can tell still. Now, it does have the sensor, night to day mode. So you can leave it on, hooked up, and you don't have to worry about, wasting electricity. So this is like actually perfect lighting for when you're gonna set up in front of your yard, in back of your yard. It's waterproof, outdoor graded. If you don't want to use the sensor, you want to keep it on all the time, you could just cover it completely, and that's it. Heating, you don't have to worry about heating because it's LED light. Everything's well secure in there within plastic and glass, so you don't have to worry about any kind of damage to the actual system. It could sustain any kind of weather. So one of the best things I like about it is that it looks beautiful. If you set these up in front of your actual yard, if you have 3 or 4 of them, it'll light up the place. So hope you guys enjoy this video.